Dwyane Gambino come to the reaction video. New to try and make sure that sub, but new to smash that notification bell. So you know what I got that shit. Alright, you got Flight Reacts making random noises now. Flack, he's a comedian, walking L, whatever you want to call him, but man's a genius, bro. Man knows how to keep himself getting getting famous, bro. Now he's rapping and shit, man. You gotta salute the nigga getting his bread. Gotta salute it. This guy sounds like a chipmunk. Oh, what is he watching?
I say more find out they wearing face jersey. Something.
What? This guy turned into an 8, fam. What? Huh? A man turned into an 8. What? Huh? Nah, Flight's an idiot. That's that old school play.
Amazing, Cap.
Spring, green, green. Look at this goof. Look at this goof.
Better than the rest. She don't know what slow you with that she trying to rap.
And be in denial. Another case.
What the fuck? This nigga really thought he was gonna hit that shot. Damn, that was one in. Flight hit that, Flight would have went crazy. YouTube did not want Flight to hit that game winner, man. Yo, you guys need to try to hit that song. Need to smash that notification bell. If y'all want your requests done, follow me on my Instagram and then DM me and let me know what you guys want me to react to next. Let me know how you feel about the video in the comment section. Until next time. Deuces.
Call me like a rich bitch, limp dick, put it on your daughter and she still call a nut. Patty cake,